Ready to dive into the world of Java? This tutorial will guide you through a seamless installation of the latest Java JDK 25 on your Windows 11 system. So let's get started. So we have to open our web browser and search for Oracle Java. So we have to Oracle Java. Now here is the official website, just click on it. Now click on download Java. So here you can see that JDK 25 is the latest version of Java. So we have to download this and we will select our Windows because we are going to install this on a Windows. Click on it. And here you can see x64 installer. We have to click on that. Click on it and it's a 182 megabyte software. We have to wait for it. And after download, we have to install this and also we have to set the environments. So we have to wait for a few minutes. So after downloading the software, we have to install this. Click on it. Click on yes. So click on next here. And we will select the default path. Click on next. So here is our Java IC Development Kit 25 successfully installed. Close. Now what we have to do, we have to select our, we have to set our variable, environment variable here. So what we're gonna do, we will go to our path. So here you can see the Java path. Just copy this and search environment variable here. You can see this option. Click on it. And now click settings here. Sorry, we have to select the environment variables here. Click on it. And we have to select the path and click on edit here. Now what we have to do, we have to select the new here and paste our path here. Now okay. Now okay. Now we will check our Java version. So we have to open the CMD. Now let's check our version of Java. So here you go. Here you can see our Java 25 is already installed successfully. So I hope this video will help you. If this video works, then do like, comment, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.